how to fix the Instagram camera effects. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. There's 3 options you can try to do this in order to fix it. The first one is you can go to the App Store actually, search for Instagram and see if you have an update. Now if you have, like I have, then this might be a problem, or this might be why your camera effects didn't work. So definitely update it. I'm just going to do that as well later. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is go to the settings. And once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down to General, then go to iPhone Storage. And once you're here, you just have to wait for it to load. And then you can search for Instagram right here. And you can offload the app. So you can try that and then reinstall it. And if that still doesn't work, then I just recommend turning off your phone completely and then turning it back on. Maybe that'll work. And if that still doesn't work, then I don't really know what else you can try to fix it. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope these 3 options helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and let me know in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.